Hey guys, Praveen here, and Microsoft just released Fluent 2, which is the next version of Microsoft Design System. So we are just going to see how it is and how it works. They have these beautiful graphics everywhere, but yeah, let's go in and see how the actual design works. Because their graphics are always good, their marketing videos are always good, but their design is not the best at all times, but because I use themes daily and Outlook daily, and I don't like it. That's the simplest thing. So I'm opening the Figma kit they have. Okay, this looks good. Let's start with the accordion. Yeah, this looks good, but why does every accordion have icon? Maybe that's removable. Okay, that's fine. The avatar, it's simple, looks good, but even the colors, it's the team color that gives me like anxiety. So this is the team's colors, but that's fine. Again, this is I'm not sure how many people will use this, but okay, probably they'll use it. And we have the badges, which is similar. Okay, this badge, the variations are very nice, but yeah, I'm not a big fan of the colors of Microsoft Teams. That the Microsoft Fluent design, that's the main thing that I don't like, and it's the same here. The colors are not vibrant at all. It's very flat and very corporate. I don't think they need that much flat colors. Can be a little more, you can add a little more contrast and be more vibrant. Breadcrumb, it's the same. Buttons, again, the contrast, they don't have the contrast enough. It's very dull and flat. So yeah, I don't see any much difference from Fluent 1 to Fluent 2. It's pretty much the same, except for some border and adding some padding at my places, but it's mostly the same. These look good because of the graphics. It looks good, but the card itself, the shadows are too much, I think. But yeah, this looks good. Let's just go to input. See, this is, it's okay, I guess, but it can be better because it just can be better because even Native Design's input look better than this. Let's see something else, maybe a model. Model is pretty simple, I guess. Here model is good, there's no problem with here, but the buttons and especially the colors, it's very dull, as I said. They have a good set of spinners. This looks good. Let's tag. How's tag different? Oh, it has a close button. Okay, so they have a badge and a tag. Okay, tree. Yeah, everything in the design system is a tree because of the files and folders. But yeah, this looks good. I've always been a fan of Microsoft Finder. Okay, tooltips also looks good, but not the colors, as I said. How did they do this one? I'm wondering. Okay, above center. Oh, they have everything. Okay, so they have everything in Figma, and whichever we want, we can enable or disable. Okay, that makes sense. And yeah, that's it. So this is the new Fluent 2 design system, I guess. Looks good. I wouldn't use it anywhere, but you know, it's just what it is. It just looks good, and probably we can use it for. I recently did a Microsoft Teams app, so I used all Fluent 1 design system for that. Maybe I'll upgrade it to Fluent 2 design system, but that's the only base I'll use. Fluent design system app specific to Microsoft. Other places I probably will go for something like Material or just Shadzi anyway. Yeah, that's it for this video. I'll leave the link in the description so you can go in and check it out. Yeah, that's all. Bye bye.